casuals or non-fans' reaction to SB19's live performance on Acer Day 2025. Let's hear it from the casuals and non-fans who have seen SB19 perform live for the first time. One said, "OMG, grabe, no wonder SB19 is the king of P-pop, sobrang galing nila. First time to watch the full performance nila pero grabe halimaw. Stable vocals, amazing dance and choreo and oozing appeal on stage. Hindi lang pala kay Mika ako mapapahanga, sa SB19 din." First time ko makanood ng full performance of SB19 and now I understand why sila ang first choice ni SG to collab with among the P-pop groups. I don't think may makakasurpass pa dito. I might start watching more of their performances and listening to their songs. Naging fan ako bigla ng SB19. Si Will lang naman gusto kong panoorin kanina. Pero bakit kasi ang galing pala talaga mag-perform ng group na to, grabe pang world class. Honestly, ngayon ko lang napanood mag-perform ang SB19. Now I know bakit gusto ni SG makipag-collab sa kanila. Ang lala nyo din mag-perform like SG. It's my first time to watch a Philo Celeb concert but I would say na sobrang talented din talaga ng SB19. Grabe, deserve maging P-pop kings. Style is my bias now. Yung vocals and stage presence niya, goosebumps. Sayang lang wala sa setlist nila yung Niebe. Fave song ko pa naman yon. And here's more.